So now let's see how we can utilize the predator filter inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the predator filter, I'm going to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto artistic. And over here you can see that predator is an option. So if I were to go around and click on predator right here, then this is what you have. So what you can do is you can change around the edge amount and the pixel amount right here, and then you don't get the preview. So you do need to go around and then, let's say for example, press OK right here, and what happens is that the predator layer actually applies. So it seems as if this is like from an old system right here, and you can see the pixels and everything else and see the graphics like that. So you can see that this is the layer that you have right here. So let me just go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto artistic right here again, and then go to predator and change around the value, the edge amount and the pixel amount to less right here, and press OK right here, just like this. And once you do that, you simply have another predator right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. With more detail. So this is the first effect, and this is the second effect, as you can see right here, and it seems like an old graphics. So that is how you can utilize the predator filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.